boasting a rich and intriguing history that is deeply interwoven with the development of human civilization. The origins of bitter melon can be traced back to the African continent. It is believed that this fascinating fruit likely evolved as a crucial food source for early indigenous humans in the continent. Historical evidence suggests that bitter melon played an essential role in ensuring the survival of, particularly hunter-gatherer communities, particularly during periods of food scarcity and limited resources. From its African roots, the spread of bitter melon across Asia is believed to have taken place through ancient trade routes and influential migrations. In India, bitter melon has been cultivated and extensively consumed for centuries, serving as a central element in the Ayurvedic system of traditional health care. The Ayurvedic texts describe its wide array of medicinal uses, including treating a variety of ailments, including diabetes, digestive issues, and skin conditions. In Southeast Asia, bitter melon enjoyed tremendous popularity, becoming a staple ingredient in the cuisine of countries like Thailand, Indonesia, Vietnam, and the Philippines. It is frequently used in stir-fries, soups, and other flavorful dishes. Where it's unique, intense bitter taste adds a distinct touch to the final dish. In Chinese cuisine, bitter melon has become a staple ingredient in stir-fries, soups, and curries, where its unique and unforgettable bitter flavor complements the dish perfectly. In Vietnamese cuisine, it is frequently integrated into various traditional soups and broths, adding an intriguing depth of flavor to the dishes. Beyond its culinary relevance, bitter melon has long been revered and admired for its potential health benefits. Traditional medicine systems across various regions in Asia have utilized bitter melon in addressing a myriad of health concerns. In parallel, modern scientific research is increasingly supporting these traditional claims, showing that the fruit contains a variety of bioactive compounds, such as charantin and Momordica, which demonstrate anti-inflammatory, anti-obesity, and antioxidant properties. These findings have significantly boosted the interest in bitter melon as a potential natural remedy for numerous health conditions. Today, bitter melon continues to be cultivated and consumed worldwide, spreading far and wide from its humble origins as a crucial staple food for early African hunter-gatherers to the global recognition it now holds as a valuable medicinal plant itself. The story of bitter melon's journey embodies the unwavering connection we share with the natural world and the immense power of traditional knowledge to shape our lives.